Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Lady V. Now, she's saying that she has nothing to hide. She came to social media and she told us about herself. She let us know about, her background, where she's coming from, and now, because she's coming from a long way, but she's articulate. She's speaking up for people and helping other women get through stuff that they are going through. So just go and watch the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Like always, thank you.
So if you don't have a weapon and somebody attack you, you can help yourself. I'm the girl you run up to with a gun, you're gonna get shot because me take that out of your hand, me kick you down, box you down. Because I have these, because I'm trained. But at the same time, the whole bottom line as it stands, all of that is the reason why I come to be so known on social media, because persons gravitated and I was helping and I was mentoring and I was coaching and a lot of persons that could not afford the fees, because being very honest, for you to talk to me for an hour, if you don't have 100 US, you cannot talk to me. So you cannot come sit in my chair for 1 hour and at the end you don't have 100 US to give me. You waste my time. So it was like that, but just get what? When I looked at what was going on and when I remember where I came from, when I remember a time where how would me know what is 100 US? And I'm thinking, you know what? No, money are not everything. If you don't have no money for pay me and you need the help, me go help you. If you don't have no money for give me and me can save your life, me go save your life. Because at the end of the day, God now go say to me, say, Valley, how much money in your bank? $200? 20,000, 200,000, $2 million. God now got deal with me upon that. God got deal with me upon. Did you try to intervene and save JD? Did you try with Diane Baptist? Did you entertain Bam Bam? Did you try to save St. Louis? When St. Louis came to you and she was broken, did you know if it was me in that form? Because God comes to us in many forms. When Johnny Taylor needed your love and your comfort, did you offer, or were you about the money? And I realized that, you know what, there's more to life than wealth. I mean, all of us want wealth, all right? And I'm no different because I come from a poor family and my children will not be poor. I've declared that. Because if I don't come from a family of wealth, a family of wealth must come from me, and that's how I'm pitting them rich. All right, so I'm not even grown a thing. I'm pitting them like literally rich, because me and their mother, I know how to pray, and my father is king, so me can poor. So sometimes when you come out and you ball out here rich, some people say yeah gloat and yeah float, but then I know where you gloat and float pan. You have faith in a God that him never ever make you hungry one day, and your rewards are sure for the good that you have been doing. So that's how I came to social media. However, let's digress. Being out here, a lot of persons became very threatened by my presence on social media. I'm very articulate, as you can see. And, well, not as you can see, as you can hear. I'm very articulate. I speak very well. I have a huge vocabulary, as you by now know. I am very personable. I'm very calm. I'm very composed. I'm very ladylike in mannerism. That I mean to say I don't know if I turk it and go out myself if I go on party and if me inside ear, right? But I'm just saying. And persons started gravitating towards me because of my personality, my mannerism, my fun side, the way I engage, the way I show compassion, the way I comprehend, the way I understand, the way I relate, and it just become a thing. And then some persons who looked at it like, oh my God, this is what social media don't need. She's too smooth. She's too clean. She's too open. She's too frank. Because I give it to you straight. Like me telling you, I come and I sit down and I tell you from jump. Me telling you, I have my kids them for 2 different men. Me telling you, I've been with married man. Me telling you, oh you gonna say my children never born in a wedlock. Me telling you say me never did married and have a husband when I have my kids them. Me telling you everything. Me telling you say I did poor, broke and hungry. Me telling you about molestation as a child. I tell you all everything because I have nothing to hide. Because if I am ashamed of my past, then I cannot be proud of my present. Because my past is what give me the present that I now have. If I am ashamed of my past. There is no way I can embrace my present. Every one of those things had to teach me a learning curve. Whether they were right, whether they were wrong, whether they were decent, whether they were moral or immoral or anything, I had to do them, or I felt I needed to do them for survival purpose at the time. I have absolutely no regret in terms of those things. So bottom line, you know, I am just so open, so transparent, so authentic, so free, so anything, that I don't have nothing to hide. I have nothing to, you know, just like when you guys would say to me, say, Lady V, pray for me. I'm going to say, all right, send a name. I'm going to send it to the intercessors. How many times you'd have heard that? If I was the one that was sitting here praying for all I know, why would I be saying, send a name? I'm going to send it to the intercessor. Yes, I do pray for you. I pray for you like I pray for me and my family. But when it comes to somebody saying them are going to surgery and they have this and they have that, me not think me can drag them the big weight, the GT bus. I don't think I can lift them the big something there. So you know what me do? Me send it to the people them what me know say. Them are not me. Them not have them 2 glasses of wine, and sometimes they not slip and pitch out one little word around you. So like, what it look, no. I am that person. Yeah? I'm not a profanity person. So I'm not just go and curse bad word. But I do have time when we say stuff. Like me will come down the road and a person bad driving. I say, what is her soul? And might as well me use one of the heifer, one of the har. You understand? So bottom line, I am just who I am. Now I realize that my personality threatens a lot of people on social media. One, she's too clean, she's too smooth. Certain type of people are going to gravitate. Oh, she explained too clearly. She break down things. There's no way you can watch Lady V live and you not understand. You can't watch Lady V live and you leave and you're not empowered. If you watch Lady V live, your life will never be the same again. Once you encounter Lady V, I mean, you have to love to hate her or hate to love her, but there's some love in the line with her, because she's just, she grows on you and she gets under your skin, and even though you don't want to watch her, you still have to sneak and watch her. Even though you don't want to love her, it's kind of hard not to, because when we are true, when you have gone through a whole lot, trust me, it's not the same. Now I realize I've been attacked on social media many